How to fix failed to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. Now, I'm going to be providing you the very main or the most popular troubleshooting steps if you're encountering this kind of issue. So first things first is just simply close your Roblox client, and sometimes it won't be able to be closed properly, but to close that fully, just go to your task manager. Now under processes, click anywhere on this box and just simply hit R on your keyboard and locate Roblox client and choose on end task. Next is you go into your Windows icon. Now go to run and then just simply choose this option here that says percentage local app data percentage sign and OK. Now from here, click anywhere in the box and hit R on your keys. Go to the Roblox folder. Now there are many ways on doing this. First one is you can go into downloads, choose on Roblox player, and you can delete all of this. The other thing that you could do is to choose on the versions folder and delete the whole thing. Now once it is fully deleted, just simply restart or relaunch your Roblox player. And that's it. That's how you fix fail to download or apply critical settings in Roblox.